packing completed and we are ready to go. So tomorrow morning we're gonna leave at 5? Yeah, 5 a.m. So I have to wake up early tomorrow morning, so I'm going to sleep right now. Okay, see you tomorrow.
So we're gonna go on a road trip to Seattle from San Francisco by a car. It's gonna be a long drive. And we first stop by at Portland and stay there for one night. And then we're gonna head to Seattle on the second day. We're gonna stay there for 5 days. And it will be a total of 12 and 98 kilometers of driving. So let's get going. So, 休憩ですね. We're gonna take a rest. So, we're gonna fill up the gas right now. And probably restroom. And then we are here. Where is it? Still in California, right?
Yeah.
It is still in California.
Where are we? I don't even know.
I think we drove up 4 hours already.
Yeah.
4 hours. Oh, yeah, it's like
Edge of the California.
edge of the California, yeah. Close to the Oregon entrance. Borders, yeah. Great. ちょっと涼しいね。A little bit cold. So good. Chocolate. 着いたー Let's get changed. Oh wait.
And I wiggle out of it. Or maybe I'll just, you know what? I might just wiggle out of it. So what are the...
めっちゃ顔腫れてるし。顔が腫れてます。
What are you gonna get?
It all sounds good.
We got most biggest bookstore? The most popular bookstore? This is the Powell bookstore. What you get? This is a coffee from Stompton. We got oat milk latte. かわいいね、カップが本当に。ね、こっちのカップもかわいいですよ。ほら。 なんかわかるわかる。これスタンプとの味だって感じ。And also we got pastry at Nuber. Which one you want?
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll try that.
So I got a rose water croissant. What is that? What is rose water croissant? ローズだ。あんまり好きじゃない。
I thought you liked it, no? これ食べていくんだよね、もうね。
なんかやっぱ富士山とは違うね。なんかホイップクリームの先っぽみたいになってる。彼は。フットは。Welcome to Washington. That was quick. I got more alcohol here. Okay. Yeah. いい感じ。沖縄の北東